Good morning, guys. It's me, Jimmy, a geek. So the question is that is becoming a self-taught Python developer worth it? My answer is quite yes. Normally, you can learn Python from three ways. Number one is book. Number two is online lecture, such as lynda.com, Team 3 Out, CBT Nugget, Pluralsight, and some of the newcomer, Data Camp, Udacity, Python course only, or the Team 3 of tech degree. You pay $199 per month. You can do within 2 to 5 months. So that will be my opinion. I'm sorry for the phone. So yeah, you can learn how to become a self-taught Python developer within 1 month. First, you buy like one or two books, such as a Python cookbook, plus head first Python programming book, and then you enroll in a Team 3 house. You just pay like $20 per month, or Lynda similar price. Personally, I prefer Team 3 house for Python for beginners, and then you enroll in a Data Camp. Data Camp is not for the beginners. So within 1 month, you spend 4 hours a day. 1 hour reading book, 1 hour 1 hour reading book, 1 hour coding. You can code using the Code Academy. Also, you can pay for the pro plan, much better, only like $15 a month or $16 a month. If you pay annually, if you pay per month, $20 per month. 1 hour book, 1 hour coding, 1 hour watching lecture, and 1 hour Code Academy, and 1 hour brainstorming. It can be 4 and 5 hours. I mean, you need to fit again. Normally 4 hours, you have to read a book, you have to watch a lecture, you have to play with Code Academy, and you have to do some real world coding test. So 4 hours. If you have 4 hours, in 24 hours you should have 4 hours. Especially if you are unemployed, if you are working from a remote location, you can easily find 4 hours. If you spend 4 hours a day, let me repeat, 4 hours a day, just within 10 days, it will be spending like 40 hours. For 1 month, it will be like around 120 hours. If you spend 120 hours total, you will be at some mid-advanced level. You will not consider a beginner. That's how you learn Python. It was me, Jimmy. Check out the links in the description box below. I just want to say bye.